Welcome to the Meta Lax family. This is Bonal Technologies, and this is the Quick Start Guide to using the Meta Lax 2800 series stress relief equipment. Step 1. Prepare the workspace. Isolate the workspace or table from the environment. Small, medium, and large pieces to be stress relieved can be firmly attached to a steel table for stability. Step 2. Prepare the force inducer. Clamp the force inducer firmly onto the workspace. It is important to ensure that the force inducer is clamped firmly on the longest axis of the workpiece. Then adjust the eccentric weight in the force inducer by using a stop wrench and an adjustment wrench. Step 3. Prepare the transducer. The transducer is mounted directly to the large workpiece or the table along its shortest axis and must be perpendicular to the force inducer. Generally, the transducer is about 3 feet from the force inducer. Step 4. Begin the Meta Lax vibratory process. Tap Start Meta Lax, then tap F1 Warm Up to warm up the force inducer for 10 to 15 minutes. Complete the customer information and job data. Then tap Start Job. Then tap Stress Relief Start. Then tap Scan. The system will automatically check the connection between the console and the transducer and the console and the force inducer. The force inducer will begin to ramp up, and when the curve begins to descend, tap Cut Off, and the force inducer will stop. The first dwell time is 40 minutes, which the computer will monitor. This time was chosen because it is a Class B type of material. Upon the completion of the 40-minute dwell time, the computer will begin a second scan to determine where the sub-harmonic peak is after the 40-minute treatment elapses. In this case, note that the second scan identifies the harmonic peak at 54.50 Hz. Meta Lax then moves the sub-harmonic frequency at 47.50 Hz for the second dwell time, which is 5 minutes. It is important to know if the harmonic peak has stabilized, because that's the indicator that the stress relief has occurred and the workpiece has no more thermal stress. Upon completion of the 5-minute dwell time, a third scan is completed that shows the subharmonic peak location for the third scan at 54.50 Hz, the same as the second scan. Therefore, the Meta Lax stress relief is complete. Step 5. Complete and save the job. The equipment will now turn itself off. For Meta Lax questions, please call 248-582-0900.